Hi friends, welcome. Today's we see Summeris writing. Number one, elephants. The elephant is the largest and one of the most powerful and intelligent animals. They can grow to a height of 4 meters and weight of 6 metric tons. The tusk and the trunk are important parts of the elephant. The tusks are used to support heavy loads or act as weapons of attack. Though banned many countries, elephants are killed for the tusks, from which ivory articles are made. The thick trunk, which is the elephant's lengthened nose and upper lip, serve as an hand. The Asian elephant is less taller and less heavier than wild African elephant and it can be tamed. Number 2. Guyana. Guyana and the Atlantic Ocean, discovered by Christopher Columbus in 1498, was first ruled by the Dutch settlers and then by the British. Britishers named it British Guiana as they abolished slavery. Laborers from many countries were brought in. The first batch of Indians came in 1838. Today, Guyana has a highly literate population of nearly 800,000, 50% of which are Indians, beside the local Amerindians, Chinese, and Europeans. Georgetown is its capital, is a major port. Guyana has a rich economy. Indians have contributed greatly to its development, and many of them have become famous in many fields. Antonyms. Number 1, empty is equal to full. Number 2, fleeting is equal to limping. Number 3, tyrant is equal to democrat. Number 4, slow is equal to fast. Number 5, broad is equal to narrow.